If you're looking for a home close to Jackson Country Club, then let's go check out 15 Glen Eagle Cove. This property is located in Country Club Estates. Let's go look at the inside. This is a 4-bedroom, 4-bath home with 4 bedrooms on the main level, a bonus room upstairs, and a bath. This property is 4,295 square feet, is newly renovated with solid maple floors throughout. The primary closet is oversized and walk-in. It's one of my favorite parts about this property. And then it has custom lockers coming in from the garage, and the laundry room has these beautiful custom dog kennels. I can't wait to show y'all. This luxury kitchen has custom floor-to-ceiling cabinets with matte quartz countertop and backsplash. It also has matte black KitchenAid appliances with a double oven, a microwave drawer, a hidden dishwasher, and a gas range that has a downdraft. This home has one of the largest backyards in the neighborhood with an awesome outdoor entertainment space.